Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you pressure washer machine. This is portable. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. These are all the stuff we have. User manual. Here is the pipe and filter. We have two batteries. This is 21 volt lithium ion. This is the second one. Here is the storage compartment, charger adapter. Here is the pressure washer machine. It has an easy installation. This is the diagram. Let's check it out. 6-in-1 nozzle extension rod, transition connector, hose, water bucket, battery, and stop valve right there. Let's go ahead and connect them each other. I'm gonna go ahead and explain how you're gonna use. If you wanna use only foam while you're washing your car, we're just gonna put some foam inside, detergent, and then we're gonna put the battery right there, like that. It's gonna start working. If you wanna change the level, you're just gonna press right there. And how you're gonna connect the water, if you have a bucket, you can use this one. You're just gonna put this one in the bucket, and we're gonna put this one right here. Let's take it out first. We're gonna go ahead and plug this in right there. And you put it, just leave it there, and it's gonna go ahead and engage it. Now we're gonna get the water from here and foam from here. Go ahead and foam the car first, and then when you're done with the foaming, just take this out. We have 6-in-1, and this is the extension one. If you want to use the extension, you're just gonna go ahead and put it like that, and it's gonna lock. And then we're just gonna go ahead and put this one right here and turn it. It's gonna lock. Let's see. Alrighty, here is my car, and this is the whole system. This is the filter right there. It's not gonna block anything if there is something inside. I don't want to use the extension one, just 6-in-1 right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the foam. Let's take this out and put this one. Let's go ahead and test it out. That's awesome. Let me go ahead and take this out and put the nozzle. This is 6-in-1. See? Let's check it out from here. This is only water. And that's one. When you just turn it to the left or right, you're gonna see the difference. We need more power for this. 3. You can see the difference between nozzles. Spray 40, 25, 15, 0. This is spray. This is 0, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and spray. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because we have two batteries and then foam storage compartment. We have one extension gun rod, and this is portable. You don't need to get the water from the tap water hose.